I'm Carmen Del Mundo Ubas from Philippines. Having PCOS or polycystic ovarian syndrome is not easy. You may suffer overweight or bursting of acne. In my case, I suffered bursting of acne since my adolescent stage. Having this acne breast, my confidence was so low and I thought I will have this forever. I got married last December 23, 2020. By January 2021, I noticed I was delayed for 2 weeks and I never been delayed. So I went to OB for a checkup. During checkup, through ultrasound, she told me that there's nothing to worry. Your lining is thick, so any moment from now, you'll be on your period and you have this 4x4 cm cyst on your right ovary. After hearing that, my world stops because I thought I'm already pregnant. I called my husband and I told him about the result. And he told me, there's nothing to worry. Double dose your Black MP. 1 scoop in 1 glass of water before breakfast and 1 scoop in 1 liter of water while I am on duty because I am an X-ray technologist by profession way back then. I did that for 20 days and went back to my OB for follow-up checkup. During follow-up checkup, she was so amazed and she said, "Oh, it shrink." Take note, my OB didn't give me anything for medication. April 28, 2021 was my last period. My monthly period never come and it's already June 20. I didn't assume for anything because I know the reason why I'm delayed. It's because of my ovarian cyst. But due to my curiosity, I checked it by pregnancy test. And the result is positive. Even if the result is positive, I didn't assume because it might be false positive. My husband and I decided to go on OB for confirmation. The result? I was 2 months and 2 weeks pregnant. Yes, I was pregnant. Since I made that 20 days double dose of Black MP Living Water, I never drink of water without Black MP. Even during my pregnancy, I never take any of those vitamins or multivitamins that are synthetic. I only take Black MP because the vitamins and minerals that my baby and I needed are already there. Especially the vitamin B12. February 1, 2022, I delivered a healthy baby girl. And I thank the Lord Almighty for giving us this amazing product, the Black MP Living Water. Now our baby girl is already 2 years old. She loves to drink Black MP Living Water. And she's healthy and very strong. So to all men and women who suffered a hormonal imbalance, it's not the end of everything. Even those who suffered any illness, it's not too late. You still have a chance to have a better and a healthy life. Once again, I'm Carmen Del Mundo Ubas from the Philippines.